Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Boards Academy. Today I am going to share with you one very important tips of how to select or how to choose a hashtag in Instagram. So let's get started. The one of the most important thing you should have to remember before selecting any hashtag in Instagram, that your hashtag should be relevant to your post or content. That doesn't matter how many hashtags you have been given or you have been used, your hashtag should be relevant to your post. Like if you are posting a digital marketing content or digital marketing tips type video or digital marketing strategies, so your hashtag should contain digital marketing tips or digital marketing strategies properly. So you have to remember that thing before selecting any Instagram hashtags. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell.